find him. Also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants to just live on his broken soul. I don't want your number.
Morning, guys. I hope that you're all having a beautiful day to start with. And today is just going to be a nice, chill, kind of like little vlog. Come shopping with me. Going to meet up with Jimmy. Now we're going to go down to Shoreditch, look at a few stores, look at a few vintage stores, and I kind of just wanted to take you guys along with me. We might pick up a few things, we might not, but really I just wanted to show you a few of my favorite stores and stuff in Shoreditch, and I don't know, just take you along London today a little bit. So that being said, let's get into it, eh? So we have just made it to Shoreditch High Street here with Jimmy. Guys, I've seen him before. So we're at Box Park right now. So there's all these kind of like little stores and stuff. And the first store we're gonna check out is one that you guys have been asking a lot about, and it is Cold Laundry. So let's get to it. Change of plans because I think they're on their lunch break or something. So, oh, I'm going the wrong way. We're gonna go to the vintage stores as well because I know I want to get some rings. The bro like Jimmy is, I think he actually wants to get some jewelry as well, and he's looking at, what else? Did you say a blazer?
Yeah.
What type of blazer?
More like a boxy fit, I guess.
Boxy fit, of course, because that's what we're all pretty much after. That relaxed tailoring. So we're gonna go check out. We might go to Atika again. You guys seen me roll up there with Geo, so we might go there. And then also they've got also the London's biggest vintage store or something, eh?
Yeah.
Anything else you're looking for?
Nah, pretty much the blazer, oversized one, more like the Balenciaga vibes you give me.
Yeah.
On a cheaper budget.
Exactly. So our kind of thing when we go vintage shopping is we like to have an idea beforehand of what we kind of want. Otherwise, you're just going to be in there for ages and feel so lost, and end up pretty much copying stuff that you just didn't need at all. So always go in with a little bit of a plan. So let's go to the first one. Alright guys, so we just made it here. Now this one is massive, so it's kind of all over the place. So it's really about knowing what you're after and then finding it. So like we said, we are after rings and blazers. So rings and blazers, and then maybe just an eye out for something. But rings and blazers, let's get it.
The type of girl I know your daddy be proud of. Be proud of. Be proud of, be proud of. The type of girl I wanna turn into a mama. The type of girl I'm already proud of. Be proud of, be proud of, be proud of. I wish you was a normal girl.
Just like that, guys, got the first piece. £15, not too bad. Jimmy also just got his first pickup. What did you get, bro?
These cool looking glasses, clear ones.
Some like vintage looking ones. How much you paid?
20 quid.
20 quid. So again, solid pickup. Again, so it doesn't mean if he like loses them. If you lose them or something like that, you probably lose them. But yeah, both got a good first pickup. Let's continue.
She ain't on the same shit, young till her own. Aye. Kick her to the curb, she ain't really learn, I'ma send her home. Grams in a Ziploc bag for the time that I spend alone, and I'm just getting stoned. Got green like Piccolo, you ain't talking money, then the convo short like Krillin though. Killing songs back to back, this killer roll. Nigga fuck a celebrity status.
Found some glasses. Coming for a bit more of that vintagey vibe. Wait, I got a better pair for you, just wait. Oh yes, I know, it's a win, right? You like them?
What do you think?
So serious, bro.
A scrub is the guy that thinks he's finding. Also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants to just live on his broken soul. I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no. I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. I want none of your time, and no.
So guys, we finished up with the first one. I picked up a ring, Jimmy picked up some glasses. I think we're gonna go to Atika now. Yeah, it was alright in there. Like there's heaps of stuff. So again, like if you know what you're looking for us, as far as like jewelry and blazers, just wasn't really there. So hopefully Atika has us covered. You're wearing them now?
Definitely, it's clear ones anyways.
Clear one. Man. Guys, yeah, don't follow me, follow Jimmy. Jimmy's got way better style. So we're at the blazer section and stuff like that now. And there are cool ones. But like that one's mad boxy. It's not really the tones and stuff that we're after, and obviously we're not going to walk around the whole store because this is the section, so we might bounce, eh? Go to the next one, on to the next one. Thank you Atika, but not this time. To the next. So we did come across these amazing colorway, so I'm gonna try them on and hopefully they fit, so stay tuned. Yeah. So guys, because of pretty much the size of my thighs, like these go like super tight on my thighs and then super wide, so it's like mad disco vibes, so that's not about it. Once again, it proved that if you want to be into fashion and wear nice clothes, you shouldn't go to the gym, because I just got my ass whooped by that stuff again. Pretty much what I'm saying is Jimmy ended up picking up the pants because he doesn't train legs like I do. How much do you pay?
16 pounds.
16 pounds, guys.
And plus I was only looking for the color, so yeah.
Yeah, so let's go, 16 pounds.
Breaking the bank.
Really nice color, not breaking the bank. So you spent a total of what, 36 pounds now, and you got some glasses and trousers. So that's pretty good. I'm still stuck on a ring, and I might start not training legs so much. So now we're gonna go back to Cold Laundry, trying a few pieces because the store is insane, and I'll see you fellas there. Alright guys, so we just made it into Cold Laundry. This is like a recently kind of like popped up store here at Box Park, and I mess with it. This is like my third or fourth time coming here. So enough of me talking, I'm just going to show you a little bit of B-roll of the place because I know that you guys are going to mess with this. So a little bit of B-roll, let's go.
I always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something now. Oh, oh. Give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. Isn't it funny?
And there you guys see it. That's pretty much the store. Super like minimal tones. I know you guys mess with that stuff, but because I've been here like this is my third or fourth time, obviously I started chatting to like the owners and stuff, so I'm gonna introduce you. We got my man here. Do you want to introduce yourself, bro?
Hey guys, I'm David, partner at Cold Laundry. Come down to Box Park Shoreditch for some nice clean cuts, some nice designs, and contemporary stuff.
Pretty much guys, like a solid vibe. Like the first time I came here, like the guys were like super nice to me. They helped me out with sizes, everything like that. And I generally just mess with this place. We're actually planning on like maybe in the future or something, like I want to do kind of a video here, like a style challenge video, like with these guys and things like that, just so you guys can get to know as well, because I've been getting a lot of DMs from you guys about the stuff that I've been wearing in this store. So that'll be sick, eh? Lovely. All right, well, I'm gonna try on some more pieces and yeah, see what we got. Let's go.
You holding on to what you get is what you give. Before you go and say it's true, like how you thought I would forget, girl. You know I want to.
So guys, I just tried on their kind of like beige vest thing. Summer vibes, yes, especially popping with the vibrant blue. I think it's sick. Like, let me know what you guys think, because, well, I don't know, by the time you probably do, you've already got it. What do you think, bro?
Looks sick, man.
Like, I think it's, obviously we know like vests and stuff, like the tactical vests and stuff are like quite in and stuff right now. What I like about how they've done it with this is it's still kind of low key. It doesn't look super out there, and it also doesn't look like I'm going on a fishing trip, so I think it's a nice little balance. And it's still like nice and minimal too, so
Give it a spin.
I think it's pretty damn clean, to be honest. Definitely for summer. Boom. Alright guys, so what I'm kind of thinking is this shirt, which you guys probably saw in an Instagram post, and then the vest. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think, but like I said, probably by the time this goes up, probably already got it, so. But let me know, because I am interested as well. So I did decide to go with those two. Jimmy, are you getting anything?
Not today, maybe.
Yes, they got new stuff dropping. Actually guys, check this out, check this out. This is what Jimmy got. This is what Jimmy got from here like 2 days ago. And I think it's sick. So spin around slowly, bro. So you guys see it's like a, oh, the words completely lost my mind.
Button, like splitting.
Oh yeah, okay, we'll go through that. So you've got like the split at the back. It sends me off huge Comme des Garçons vibes. Like that's the huge vibe I get from it. Obviously, we've got it slit here, different lens, a little bit of like the Balenciaga kind of vibes as well with the croppedness. I think it's a huge vibe. I love how subtle it is, but different at the same time. You picked that up for like 80 pounds or something, so it's awesome. A sick, like different kind of blazer. We actually were walking along the streets, first time wearing it, and he already got complimented on it. I myself was gonna pick it up, but they didn't have my size, so fingers crossed. They will have my size maybe soon enough, but I gotta pay for these clothes, and then I gotta train some clients as well, so I'll go get to that.
Always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something now. Oh, give me your kiss, tell me whatever that's right.
And there we have it, guys. That is pretty much our day done, because I've got to get back to the gym. Jimmy's got his stuff to do, so pretty successful. Hey, like,
Yeah, definitely.
it's good just like seeing stuff as well. Jimmy again got the glasses and the trousers. Myself the ring, and then obviously the stuff from Cold Laundry. Jimmy's probably going to go back later in the week because they said they got some like other stuff dropping. But yeah, so it was just a bit more of a chilled one, guys. Sorry if you can't really hear me. Do you know what I'll do? I'll take them with you guys back home, and then I can talk to you a little bit more intimately. Yeah, I'll see you at home. Say bye, Jimmy.
Take it easy, guys.
See you at home. Yo guys, so it's actually the next day that I'm checking in with you. So that's because I ended up going obviously to work, and I ended up getting home at about 10:30, and yeah, I just completely forgot about this. But I'm gonna show you what I probably did pick up. 3 things, a ring, a shirt, and like a kind of like a vest slash ish tactical vest ish. I'll show you. First up was this ring, obviously this really awesome kind of like eagle ring, 15 pounds. Absolutely love this one. It's definitely the vibe that I've been trying to like search for. It just is quite hard to find. This is the vest. Boom. Really nice, simple, lightweight, perfect for summer. And then we've got the shirt as well. Very simple shirt. The shirt like reminds me of like kind of like a school shirt, like when you go to school and stuff, but I'm about that life. I love the fit of the shirt. It's pretty much just awesome, like kind of like summer vibes. So yeah, I picked up those things. That was a bit of a kind of like a just come along shop with me. You get to see what we're thinking in the process we're going through. And really guys, it was just a nice kind of like chill video. I get a lot of questions from you guys about where I shop and things like that. And yeah, so if you want me to do more of these kind of like real chill ones, and just when we go out and look at pieces and go to different places, let me know in the comment section down below. Other than that guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did like it, give it a big thumbs up, because it really does help out the channel. I'll let you get back to doing you. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep dressing well, and I'll see you fellas next time. Peace.